It's that time of the month. Da, da, na, na, da, 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 na, na, da, 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 na, na. It's that time of the month, Ipsy. Before I start, don't forget to subscribe to become part of the fam and give this video a thumbs up. So I live in Canada. I think I pay around $23 Canadian to get an Ipsy bag every month. This is what came. Very summery bag. That's cute. I like it. It's like a canvas material and it's a big bag. I like the big bags. Ooh, looks like there's a lot of goodies here. So the first thing I got is by Truffle Therapy or by Skin & Co. Skin & Company Roma. Whipped polishing cleansing cream with truffle extract. That sounds so luscious. Whipped cleansing cream. And it's made in Italy. It smells so good. And of course what I love, no sulfates, parabens, and it's cruelty free. Definitely gonna try that out. Ooh, I got a blending sponge. I like this a lot. Nice. By Her Minerals Professional Blending Sponge. I love that. Ooh, it feels very similar to a beauty blender, a little bit denser, but it seems like it's a good quality sponge. So excited to try that out. This looks like markers. Ipsy Create. Oh, okay, because I guess they sent this like thing here, Ipsy Create. Oh, okay, so it's like a coloring book inspired glam bag and they included 2 markers to color this out. That's so cool. So I can like color this with these markers here. That's really cool. Steve Laurent, I got an eyeliner by this brand once through Ipsy. This is a lip oil in Orchid. I love their packaging because it's rose gold, and when I got an eyeliner by them, it was also rose gold packaging, which is beautiful. So this is actually gorgeous. This rose gold packaging, it's gorgeous. It smells really good. It smells like vanilla, and I can't put it on because I have lipstick on now, but it's basically like clear. There's nothing like really to show and it smells good. It just seems like it's like, yeah, like moisturizing for the lips. So I will try this out too because I love moisturizing lip products. I've never had a lip oil before, so excited to try that. Last thing, oh no, 2 more things. Second last thing, ladies and gents, is a Retinol Rescue by Clark's Botanicals Overnight Cream. So a skin product, which I like. I love getting skin products. Ooh, this smells really good. Really, really, really good. It smells like vanilla, cocoa butter. I will try that out. And now for the last thing is by, I've gotten something Ico. I've gotten something by this brand before too. I think it was a mascara. Lash Alert Mascara, Wake Up and Go. Give your lashes a lift with a shot of caffeine. Wow. And double dose of fibers. Oh, so it's a fiber brush. Ooh, I like that brush. It's like curved. So I will try that out. It's just like a small little size as well. So yeah, that was everything in my Ipsy for this month. Let me know down in the comments below what you thought about it. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you guys next video. XOXO. Mwah. Bye.